Alright, so this question is triangle. So the question is, you're given an integer array, return a minimum path, sum from top to bottom, and then each step you move to adjust the number of the row below, and this will be a definition. Alright, so let's look at this. So this is a triangle, right? So we started from the top. So 2 is the only number, and then we want to traverse the neighbor, right? The neighbor adjacent, and then 3 and 4 are the neighbors. So 2 will be the smallest one in this row, and 3 will be what? The smallest neighbor. So it's going to be 2 plus 3, which is 5. Alright, so 5 will be represented in this one, and then I will still keep the 4 right here. Doesn't matter, but anyway, this is not important. Alright, how about this? So I'm going to keep traversing, right? So if I want to traverse the next row, right, the smallest number should be 5. So 5 plus 5 is 10, right? And I don't care, I don't care the rest of them. Alright, so the next one is what? So this guy, 6 should be what? 6 neighbor is 4 and 1, 10 neighbor is what? 1 and 8, and 7 is 8 and 3, right? So the smallest one should be 1, so you will get 11 right over here. So this is a solution. Alright, but it's not a solution. We shouldn't start from top to bottom. We should start the solution from bottom up, right? Because this will be the longest array you will approach, right? It's going to be length of 4, right? And this will help you to, return the answer for when we return, so bottom up, right? So this will be the last index you will traverse, right? And then the minimum sum will update to this level. So this is how it is. So let's look at this. 4, 1, 8, 3. This is going to be by default, right? All right, next one. 6, 5, 7. 6 is going to be what? Talk to 4 and 1, right? So what is 6 plus 4 is 10. So 10 and 6 plus 1 is 7. Which one is minimum? So it's going to be 7, right? Alright, 5 plus 1 is 6. 5 plus 8 is 13. Which one is minimum? 6, right? Alright, 7 plus 8 is 15. 7 plus 3 is 10. So this will be updated to 10. Alright, so we traverse this one. So let's look at this. 3 and 4. 3 and this 2. So this 2 is what? 7 and 6, right? 7 plus 3 is 10. 7 plus, 7 this side. 7 plus 3 is 10. 6 plus 3 is 9. So which one is minimum? 9. How about this? 4. 4 plus 6 is 10. 4 plus 10 is 14. So this will be what? This will be 10 for minimum. And the last guy is what? Should be 2, right? Yeah, 2. 2 plus 9 is 11. 2 plus 10 is 12. So minimum is 11. So we'll return 11. Alright, this is just a tricky way to do it, and you should know it. Alright. Let's look at this. So I'm gonna have a sum new in. So the length is gonna be triangle. The size. Do I need to plus 1? Maybe. It's my Windows. This one. And then we want to return the sum as 0, right? So we traverse from last row, right? So sum minus 1, I equal to 0, I minus. And then we want to traverse from what? J equal to 0 to j equal less than triangle. Triangle dot get I the size, right? J plus plus. So sum at I will just keep updating based on this guy, right? It's gonna be what? Math min between the sum at j and sum at j plus 1, right? And this should be what? Sum at j. Sorry, it's not I, it's always j. Otherwise, you are changing the fixed index, right? And then plus is going to be a dynamic variable every single time because it's going to be ij, like current value, right? So this will be the solution, and yeah, you just have to think about this. All right, so run it, submit. Cool. I want to take away the plus 1. I don't believe this one is to, oh yeah, I mean, you should, +1 will, overflow, right? All right, so time and space. Space is this guy, all of n. Time, this is all of n. This is all of m, right? Imagine this is the 2D array, right? And then time is going to be all of m times m. All right, this will be the solution. So let's look about the debug. In this question, it's better to use the debug method. Oh, what am I doing? Come on, what just happened? Triangle size. Oh, I know what. Come on. Alright, so debug, try start debugging. Alright, this is before we traverse the last, which is I equal to the last row, right? So it's going to be first iteration beforehand. Alright, when I traverse, this would be the value. It should be exactly the same value for the summary, right? And then next iteration is going to be this guy, 7, 6, 10, and 3. 3 will not update it because you don't have extra number. All right. Next one is 3 and 4, 9 and 10. We update that, and then 2 will be updated 11, right? So this will be the whole entire solution, and this will be it. All right. So if you have question, leave a comment, and see you later. Bye.